How's it going? What am I doing today? Well, I got this good deal I just couldn't refuse. I didn't want to pass up. I got 10 meters. 10 meters of LED light right here. I had the option of red, blue, yellow, green, orange, or whatever. But I wanted to stay, you know, at least somewhat street legal. So that way they can't pull me over. So what this is a warm white. But I'll try my best to get a good angle. Nothing wrong with a little rice, as long as it's tasteful. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. I bet you were like 10 meters. That wasn't 10 meters. Well, there's a little more. I did have some more on it, but as you guys probably know by now, I like to off-road. I mean, I got all this torque, I got posi track. I'm going to off-road. And ran over a couple stumps, you know, ripped it out a little bit, and finished ripping off the wire on the side. So yeah, I gotta redo that. So, but this thing climbs hills like butter. Still contemplating raising the ride height a little bit, putting some mud tires on the back. Now, that'd be pretty cool. I mean, I don't know. It depends how it looks. It'd be interesting, that's for sure. So let me tell you, I hate soldering. Either because I can't solder, or this cheap soldering iron from Harbor Freight just cannot get the job done. But here goes nothing. Definitely not the greatest, but I guess it'll work. Clean the bottom, get your LED, put some glue on it. I prefer Gorilla Super Glue. Stick it to the upper side. Splice the wires together after you solder them and attach one of these 9-volt thingies and put a 9-volt battery. You could put a switch in there if you want to, but yeah, it's whatever you want to do. Alright, let's see if we can see it. Hey, you can see it. Not bad, not too bright, not illegal. Sweet. Heck yeah, not bad. I think it fits alright, like an angel white. Little halo at the bottom. Not bad.